In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Notion. If you've ever wished your tasks and notes could stay perfectly in sync, this walkthrough is for you. We'll connect ClickUp and Notion so your workspace can share information smoothly without manual copy paste. I'll keep things simple and clear, and we won't add any extra steps you don't need. Start by opening your browser and heading to clickup.com. Log into your ClickUp account with your usual credentials. Double check you're in the correct workspace before proceeding because this connection applies to your entire workspace, not just a single list or folder. If you manage multiple workspaces, glance at your profile area to confirm you're in the right one. And as always, never share your login details on screen. Once you land on the ClickUp dashboard, look to the left sidebar. Scroll down and click More to reveal additional options. From there, select Apps, which is ClickUp's Integrations Hub. If you don't see Apps right away, make sure you have the right permissions. In some organizations, only admins can manage integrations. On the Apps page, use the search bar at the top. Type Notion and press Enter. In the results, click the Notion integration to open its details page. Here you'll see what the integration does and how it links your tools. Click the Connect button to start the connection process. ClickUp will redirect you to a Notion login page. Sign into your Notion account and be mindful about which Notion workspace you're choosing if you have more than one. The integration will apply to the workspace you select, so pick the one that matches your ClickUp workspace and your intended use. After logging in, you'll see a permissions page outlining what data ClickUp can access from Notion. Take a moment to review this carefully so you understand the scope of access. If everything looks right, confirm by clicking Next or Allow to authorize the connection. At this point, the system will finish syncing ClickUp with Notion automatically. Give it a moment, and then you should see confirmation that the two tools are connected and ready to work together. With the integration active, you can start syncing tasks, projects, or data between platforms. For example, creating ClickUp tasks from Notion pages or keeping status updates aligned. The exact options you'll see depend on how your Notion workspace is organized and which ClickUp templates or views you connect. It's a good idea to test with a small page or a sample list first, just to confirm things behave as expected. If you ever need to disconnect or reauthorize, you can do that from the same apps area in ClickUp under Notion or through your Notion connected services page. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.